Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the optimize for state machine solution 03. From previous video, we know for our state machine solution, we have one output, detector output, delay for 2 clock. Okay, it delay for 2 clock. Okay, so how we optimize the state machine solution to make this output synchronize with the last bit of the input data. Okay, so let's take a look at the code. Okay, so this is our code. Okay, the first change, we take a look here. The third always block, we use the current state. We can use the next state, so modify it, copy, save. If we use the next state, the output result should move forward for 1 clock. Okay, let's take a look at the result. So first things, we compare it here. Okay, it passed the compile. And next, okay, we restart the simulation. Okay, so we start the simulation again, run it again. Okay, you will see, okay, stop here, it stop here. Let's go back. You will see our output, our detector output move forward 1 clock. Okay, but it's still not our expected result. We want the output result at this position. At this position, we want this output result move 1 more clock forward. Okay, we want it at this position synchronized with the last bit of the input 11011. How we do it? Okay, so let's check our status in the status transition table. So this is our status. This is our status transition table. If we look at it carefully, we can see when the current state is S0 and also S5, the next state will be the same. Okay, the next state will be the same. So we can change a little bit about the code. We can remove the S5 state. Okay, so let's change our code. Here we remove the status 5. And here we directly we remove this first, we remove this also, and then we added 1 S4. We directly make the next state to the S0. Okay, because you see here, this is S4. No matter it is input 0 or 1, we all go back to 0. We all go back to status 0. Okay? Okay, so this is the first change. the next change, we remove these two. Okay. We remove these two now. Okay. And we copy this thing. Copy the first one here. At these places, we remove the S4 and we added the S4 is following. Okay, we move the S4 in this place. Okay, so here when the input, if the input data equal to 1, we make this one as 1. Okay, so here this is state 4. State 4 already have detected the 1101. If the input is 1 means, or if the input is 1 means we already get the detected target, right? We already get the detected target. So we can output our detector result as 1. We can output the detector result as 1. Okay. By this way, we remove the S5. We remove the S5 status. Okay. So we save it. We save it, and we compile it. We compile it. Okay. Okay, finish. And then we restart the simulation to see the result. Restart the simulation. Okay. Okay. And then run it again. Okay, you will see. I need to stop here again. You will see the waveform. You will see the result here. So synchronize with the last bit of the input. Okay, it is synchronized with the last bit of the input. Okay, so this is the two places we optimize for the state machine solution. We optimize for the state machine solution. Okay, so that's it. This is Michael, and see you next time.